What's up, everybody? SM here, and today we're talking about the biggest money pits in real estate. Mistakes that can cost you tens of thousands when buying a home in the USA. Buying a house is likely your biggest financial move, so you want to avoid turning your dream home into a nightmare. I'll break down the 7 deadliest home buying mistakes and give you the tools to avoid them. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end that could give you a real edge in any market. Grab your notepad and let's dive in. Here's how to protect your wallet and your sanity. Mistake number 1, not getting pre-approved for a mortgage. Too many buyers fall in love with homes they can't afford. Don't be one of them. Pre-approval means a lender has verified your finances and is ready to lend, giving you a real budget and credibility with sellers. Without it, your offer is weak and likely to be ignored, especially in a hot market. Sellers want serious buyers, and a pre-approval letter proves you're ready to close. It also gives you negotiating power and helps you move fast when you find the right place. Before you even browse listings, talk to a lender and get pre-approved. It's the foundation of a smart home purchase. Don't waste time or set yourself up for heartbreak. Start with pre-approval, always. Mistake 2, skipping the home inspection. Even if a house looks perfect, never waive your inspection. Hidden issues can cost you tens of thousands. Inspectors catch problems you'd never spot, from foundation cracks to faulty wiring. That few $100s for an inspection can save you from a financial disaster. The inspection report gives you leverage. Negotiate repairs, a lower price, or walk away if the problems are too big. Even new homes need inspections. Builders make mistakes too. Don't gamble with your investment. Always get an independent inspection, no matter how competitive the market. It's your best protection against buying a money pit. Never skip it. Mistake 3, ignoring hidden costs. Most buyers focus on the down payment and mortgage, but that's just the start. Closing costs, taxes, insurance, HOA fees and maintenance can add up fast. Expect closing costs to be 2–5% of the purchase price. Don't get blindsided. Budget at least 1% of your home's value annually for repairs and maintenance. Research property taxes, get insurance quotes and know your HOA fees before you buy. Set up a separate savings account for home repairs. If you don't plan for these expenses, you risk becoming house poor. Do a full financial workup before making an offer. Being prepared for hidden costs keeps you comfortable, not stressed. Don't let surprise expenses sink your budget. Mistake 4, letting emotions drive your decisions. Falling in love with a house can make you ignore red flags and overspend. When you're emotionally invested, you lose negotiating power and may overpay or overlook serious issues. Treat house hunting like a business deal. Stick to your checklist of needs and budget. If a house doesn't meet your essentials, walk away. There's always another one. Rely on your agent to keep you grounded and objective. Don't let a short-term feeling lead to long-term regret. Stay disciplined and remember, you're buying an asset, not just a dream. Keep your emotions in check for a smarter purchase. Logic over love, always. Mistake 5, neglecting neighborhood research. You're buying into a community, not just a house. Visit at different times, check school ratings, drive your commute and look up crime stats. Research future developments. New projects can raise or lower your home's value. Check for flood zones and environmental risks. Don't trust first impressions, dig deep. A great house in a bad location is a bad investment. Spend time investigating before you commit. Location is everything, don't overlook it. Mistake 6, not hiring a qualified real estate agent. A great agent is your advocate, negotiator and guide, and usually costs you nothing as a buyer. Don't just use the seller's agent or pick someone inexperienced. A skilled agent knows the market, finds hidden listings, and negotiates the best deal. They'll manage inspections, paperwork and deadlines so nothing falls through the cracks. Interview several agents and check references. Choose someone experienced and trustworthy. The right agent can save you thousands and a ton of stress. Don't go it alone, get expert help. Your agent is your secret weapon. Mistake 7. Making big financial changes before closing. From pre-approval to closing, your finances are under a microscope. Don't change jobs, open new credit cards, or make large purchases. These can kill your loan at the last minute. Lenders recheck your credit and finances right before closing. Even a new car loan or big deposit can delay or derail your purchase. Keep your financial life boring and stable until you have the keys. Pay bills on time, don't move money around and avoid new debt. Wait until after closing for any big changes. Protect your deal by freezing your finances. There you have it, the 7 biggest home buying mistakes to avoid. Get pre-approved, never skip inspections, budget for hidden costs, keep emotions in check, research the neighborhood, hire a great agent and freeze your finances before closing. Avoiding these pitfalls means a smoother, smarter home purchase. Have you made any of these mistakes? Share your story or tips in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more real estate tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to your smart, stress-free home buying journey. See you in the next video.